Hi, it's Desley here. Today we're going to talk about a food under the letter H and a couple of herbs under the letter H. The first one is honey. Now we all love honey, but it's best to have the raw forms of honey rather than the processed honey that has been heat treated. A particular form of honey called Manuka honey has high antibacterial properties and is very useful if you have infection or wounds. You can apply it topically or ingest it orally. There are different aspects to honey. There is the bee pollen that comes from the flowers, and it's very high in protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. The other one is propolis. Propolis is gathered by the bees from the leaf and the bark, and it is actually used to seal the hive and to hold the honeycomb in place. It's also very high in your proteins and B group vitamins. Royal jelly is the sticky substance secreted by the glands of the bee, and again it is high in protein, carbohydrates and B group vitamins. So these properties are very beneficial if, for instance, you're suffering from lack of energy and you need a food source that's easily digestible by the body. The other one is beeswax. Now beeswax is used in lipsticks, and it also helps soften the lips, so that one is also very useful. Okay, you can use honey if you have laryngitis, or suffering from laryngitis or a cold. You can gargle in honey and warm water, and you can add a little bit of garlic as well and sip that every few hours. Okay, the next one is horse chestnut. Now horse chestnut is traditionally used for conditions associated with hemorrhoids and swollen varicose veins. You can combine it with witch hazel for hemorrhoids and apply it as a tincture, or you can make a infusion of the two, soak a cloth in it and then apply that directly as well. It can also be taken internally as a supplement, and it will help ease the swelling and aching of varicose veins, and it also strengthens capillary fragility. Okay, so the next one is horsetail. Now horsetail contains considerable amounts of silica, and this actually helps strengthen your skin, hair and nails. It's also useful to help calcium be absorbed in the body, and therefore it prevents bone spurs. It contains your pantothenic acid, your C and your E, and it also helps with hemorrhoids and other bleeding conditions. Okay, thanks very much. Next time we'll talk about ailments under the letter H. Okay, thank you. Bye.